Emery are in Amsterdam, Netherlands for 3 days. In this episode, we go on self-guided tours of the historic Anne Frank House and the Van Gogh Museum. We had an early scheduled tour time at the Anne Frank House, and a quick breakfast at a familiar place kept us on schedule as we walked the short 20 minutes to the museum. Afterward, we had lunch at an outdoor food court as we waited for our entry time at the Van Gogh Museum. We are huge Van Gogh fans and enjoyed the illuminating experience immensely. It was getting cold as we walked back, and we were getting hungry and thirsty, so we decided to stay close to the hotel for dinner. Lucky us, there was an adorable, inviting ramen restaurant directly across the street from our hotel. Emery savored the sake tasting and his piping hot ramen, and Sttewy loved her curry dish. Join us on day 3 of our fall adventure as we explore Amsterdam, Netherlands. Stewy and Emery set out into the brisk morning air headed for the Anne Frank House. We stopped at McDonald's because it was quick and to see if the food tasted any different than in the US. Items had different names but were recognizable from the photos. The food tasted the same except the coffee and rolls were much better. You just can't beat European coffee. Even though the walk was short, we stopped to take photos and admire the scenery of Amsterdam. It is a beautiful city with canals, amazing architecture, and the colors of the trees were spectacular. We arrived at the front of the Anne Frank House, which faces the canal, and realized that the entrance to the museum was actually around the corner. To visit the Anne Frank House, you need to purchase tickets online in advance and only through the official website. You must select a specific time slot when booking your ticket. Stewy tip. At the time we bought our tickets, they went on sale 6 weeks in advance and are sold out almost immediately. We entered the museum for our 9:30 a.m. start time and got our audio guides to tour the actual house itself. There is absolutely no photos or videos allowed in the house. Models in each room showed how the original items on display were arranged at the time. The museum offers a sobering exhibition on the discrimination and persecution of Jews during World War II. It is one of the most visited museums in the Netherlands, attracting over 1 million visitors a year. After the Anne Frank Museum, we walked to the museum square. This area is home to some of the city's most famous museums and attractions, including the Van Gogh Museum. It's a vibrant cultural hub located in the Museum Quarter neighborhood of Amsterdam Zuid, or South Borough. The square is a popular spot for both locals and tourists alike, with its numerous cafes and restaurants. We bought our tickets online in advance and chose a 1 p.m. start time. All visitors need a ticket with a start time to access the museum. We were early, so we ate lunch and toured the square, passing the time until it was our turn to enter. The Van Gogh Museum in Amsterdam is a must-see for art enthusiasts. Located in the museum square, it is dedicated to the works of Vincent van Gogh and his contemporaries. The museum opened on June 2, 1973, and has undergone expansion and renovations in 1999 and 2012. The museum houses an extensive collection of Van Gogh masterpieces, including famous works like Sunflowers, Almond Blossom, Wheat Fields, and The Bedroom. You can also enjoy guided tours, workshops, and various exhibitions. On the way back to the hotel, we were getting cold and tired and decided to have dinner near the hotel. As we got closer, we noticed a warm and inviting restaurant directly across from our hotel. In typical Stewy and Emery fashion, we had stumbled upon the Sttewy Ramen restaurant on their grand opening night. Lucky us. It was warm inside, the smells were wonderful, and the decorating was beautiful.
Stewy.
I didn't do it.
I know. Okay, so we're trying to figure out what this is and what it does. So Emery was fiddling around with it, and the bottom poured
Not
open
Stewy, Emery did
sesame
that.
seeds. So we're going to have to consult the server on how this actually works because, well, it's a grinder or dispenser or something, but unfortunately we've been at happy hour and we can't figure it out. So this is Marcia, Marcia.
Sttewy, Amsterdam, near Central Station.
I used to do them all the
So
time.
we got some appetizers. Now the mystery of this thing has been solved. How it works. The Marcia, our server, showed us how it works, and it grinds up sesame seeds. Is what it really does. And we have edamame and pork pot sticker dumplings. Are you gonna try one?
Yes, I am. It's probably kind of hot right now.
Okay. And she doesn't want to use chopsticks on the video. Oh, there you go. Just stab it. Yeah?
Delicious.
Oishi? Lisa?
Lisa.
Lisa or Lisa?
Well, with a Z is what I prefer.
With a Z, okay. So we have to ask you a question. Alrighty, we're ready.
Okay, let's go then. So we start from the left to the right. This one is probably the driest of them all. And also this is mixed. This is also mixed and this one is pure in taste. They're all 15%, but this one you will taste a bit stronger. This is the most popular one. For most people, when you ask them what their favorite brand was, it's this one. This one is usually chosen by the whiskey lovers. Let us know what you like.
So today is opening day.
Yeah, we open up.
We're so
Wow,
lucky.
Can you believe that?
You're one of the first ones here.
Oh, well, that's really nice. We're staying right across the street. All right, so this is the first one. She said that tastes that the whiskey lovers enjoy more than anything else. It's Saki's Light. Look at this. It's brimming to the top. Ooh. She said this is the one everyone likes most. I like that one so far. And then what did she say about this one? It's the one that tastes like fruits. My goodness. Yeah, definitely. Delicious. Kampai.
Emery enjoyed the sake tasting and his ramen dish was delicious. Stewy loves Japanese curry and savored every bite. What a wonderful experience, and the staff was exceptional. We will definitely eat at Sttewy Ramen again the next time we are in Amsterdam. Thank you for watching.